can't live here anymore because you stalked me. That's why I moved.
Just
leave me alone.
I will. You talk to me for 2 minutes.
No,
and I'll leave you alone.
0 minutes. I don't want to ever talk to you. I don't ever want to hear your voice to you. Please,
what
God
happened?
bless you, but
What
please leave
happened?
me alone. Please leave me alone. Stop following me.
You won't call the cops.
Stop. I don't. Stop stalking me. Please, I can't live here anymore because you stalked me. That's why I moved.
Just
leave me alone.
I will. You talk to me for 2 minutes.
No,
and I'll leave you alone.
0 minutes. I don't want to ever talk to you. I don't ever want to. This make you feel? You're filming my father and my fucking sister. How does this make you feel?
Is that the one that put all those scratches on your arm? You want to see the
scratches?
I got scratches. I can show you the pictures right now.
No, I want you to leave my family fucking alone.
Keep hanging outside of there.
Hit the road. Dude, I promise you, you're gonna get yours and you're
I don't give a fuck. You can bring whoever the fuck you want.
That's okay. You're
You
gonna
can bring
Is
the
that
whole
a
fucking
threat?
army. I don't give a fuck.
This make you feel?
This is Cynthia Ortiz. Mr. Perry, you are breaking the law, and you act like you think you have a choice. I said, do not contact me at all. Do not contact me at all. Do not invade my privacy. Do not peep. Do not hack. Do not get in my wallet. Do not contact me at all. Stalking is a crime. Look at that. You need this attorney. Yours sucks. He hasn't advised you by now. Everybody outside your little circle of weirdo, yes men, hate your guts. It isn't hard to get information. They just got, I guess they got my FOSFA money. And then called my ex-husband and said, we flattened her tire. We took her FOSFA money. She's going to call you and ask for some. Don't help her. We're trying to starve her into a lie. We're coercing. We're committing a crime. And Perry types in my phone, who told on me? So, you're hated. All of you. The guy who called my ex-husband and said that, hated. You are hated. You are hated, Charles. You are hated. I'm not in love with you, bitch. You make my skin crawl. You have no chance of a date with me, ever. You are told on and 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 rejected and told on. You're by yourself. No woman is trying to hold your hand. You're rejected and told on. Everybody hates your guts right now. David, Calvin, all of you that make these little phone calls and take my money and get in my mail and cause one problem after another. This morning I get up, my tire's flat. They've been talking about that for weeks. They wrecked my car again. We're going to force her into a lie against her will. No, you're not. You're going to jail. There's a reason we get this stuff before you do it. Most times. How do I know Calvin's name? Blankenship, Desiree, your little code names, your little fucking daycare weird-ass code names. The Muffin Man, Pin the Tail on the Donkey, Hansel and Gretel, Rumpelstiltskin. All those are the little tricks, your little code names for the little tricks you're going to play on any given day. Aren't they? How do we know that? Fabian Puzzle, Mike was drugged. I knew it before anyone else said it because you did it. You did the murder. You did the murder. And now you want to force me into a lie. Destroying my property and getting in my wallet. And you don't have a date and you don't have a cover-up. Because if I know about it, my guys know about it, you're caught. Your cat's out of the bag and it's running all over the place. And you know why that happens? Because you're getting in my wallet and you're damaging my property and you're invading my privacy and you're butting into shit that does not concern you. No one cares, Mr. Perry, what you think. He's typing in my phone. We have an idea. You're bankrupt. We have an idea. I'm sure you do, but you weren't asked. What were you asked to do? Shut up and get out. You've not been this caught in your crime in your entire fucked up, weirdo, strango, bizarre, rejected, fail life. Have you? I want all of you to sit down and write the date and the time your crime has been caught this much. Because I don't think there's any other time than right now. We've never had one figure out we have cameras in their house and that we're causing their problems and then sue us and invoice us. and solve a murder we committed to cover all that up. We've never had that happen before. When he pesters her and takes her money, things don't go well for us. We're seeing things happen we've never seen before. You heard that before, Perry? That's your people. That's your people I'm quoting. Everybody hates your guts right now, especially me. Everybody's sick and tired of you. Everybody hates what you're doing to me and the Neelys. Everybody hates you, David. That's why you're told on to. Over and over and over and over. And the only question Perry has is who told on me. We have an idea. No, fuck off. You're going to comply with the law or they're going to do it for you. That's all there is to it. It's the law. I don't like you. I'm not in love with you. You need to get a grip on reality. You're rejected. You're a reject. I don't want anything to do with you. What I want for you to do, Mr. Perry, is shut up and get out. Shut the fuck up and get off me. Shut up and get off me. Shut the hell up. Nobody asked you what you think. Shut up. Nobody asked you what you think, did they? Were you asked? Shut up and get off me. Get out of my wallet. Get away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from my family. Stay the fuck away from me. Get away from me. Shut up. Did I say it enough times for you to get it? Look, I don't have time for your mental slow. I don't have time for it. I don't even understand it. I can't relate to you. You're like a monkey. You sit on your fat, lazy ass, watching everybody else work, hitting buttons, don't you? Somebody told us that. Is there anything that Perry can say to use as an alibi to prove he's not doing exactly what she said and pestering and pestering and pestering and bothering and bothering and bothering and pestering and getting told on and told on and told? Nope. What about his constituents? I don't know. What about his wife and kids, his family? I don't know. He's always up here bothering her, planning the next shitty thing he's going to do. So no, he doesn't have an alibi. He's a reject. You fail. You're alone. For 12 years, you're by yourself. You do not have a date. You don't have any chance of a date. You don't have a woman that wants you. Everybody hates your guts. You're a troublemaker. Everybody hates your guts. You've not been this caught in your crime, in your fucking weirdo life. What does that say, Charles? Can you read? Do you understand what words mean? Do you understand do you understand anything? I don't think you do. I think you got Alzheimer's. What does that say? If you take somebody's money, trying to cause them to rest, to, contribute to your criminal activity, that's going to get you a date. Nope. Gets you jail. You get a date with a dude in jail. You don't even know who it is helping me. Nobody will tell you anything because you're fucking dangerous. You, David, Josh, Joe, and Matt. What is it that you're trying to make me lie about? Because I always say it before. And then you got to ask, who told on me? Who told on me? Is it your family? Is it David? Is it Jim? Is it Kim? Is it Ty? Is it Al? Who's telling on me? No one cares. No one gives a fuck. I don't know that. Again, I'm telling you again and again and again. I'm not told that. I don't know. I don't care. I want you gone. I don't care. I want for you to be gone. Yes, you have me bankrupt right now to coerce a lie. I did say that. I did say that's what you're trying to do. But once you're in jail, once my guys put you in jail, I will never be broke again, sir. I'll have my privacy back, and I won't be tormented and pestered by a Looney Tune who can't control himself. We're sick of this. We're sick of this, Mr. Perry. We're tired of it. Everybody's sick of y'all. Why don't you understand what that means? I don't want to hear from you. I didn't ask you what you think. I said get out. Shut up and get away from me. Shut the fuck up and get off me. Shut up and get off me. Do you understand? Shut the hell up and get the fuck off me. As much as you're told on, why is it you think you have a choice? I don't like you. No one does. We all want you gone. I don't like you. Nobody likes you. We're all sick and tired of you and your drama and the problems and the stress and the anxiety. I said leave me alone. So leave me alone. Everybody's sick of you. Everybody's tired of y'all. Everybody's sick and tired of all of you. Shut up and get out right now and stop contacting me. I don't want to hear it. Nobody does. We're sick of hearing it. You want to lie. We get it. We got it the first time you said it. You want to lie. You want to force me to do something or say something against my will that I do not want to do. That's coercion. I said no. So fuck off And then we get more and more and more. I'm going to say it to you one fucking last time. When you contact me, when you pester me, when you bother me, when you peep on me, when you hack me, when you cause financial loss or loss of my time, you get told on. That's all that happens. There's never a date. There's not going to be a date. You make everybody hate your guts. And then we get more information. Like the whole Rumpelstiltskin bullshit. We can't play Hansel and Gretel again. We heard you the other night. I've talked about that before. When I was working out at the club. Ratatouille, Rumpelstiltskin, pin the tail on the donkey. All your little code words, little daycare words, your little fairy tale. Nothing's real with y'all. Everything's like little pretend land. Like you're a bunch of little 3-year-old little girls prancing around. Muffin Man. That's a code word for a person. Because I've heard that one. Muffin Man's not going to be happy about this. When you get caught. You don't have a date. I'm not in love with you. You disgust me. So now, you get my FOSFA money. That's federal loan money. Get out of my mail. You're already got an investigation going on with you getting in my mail and taking my money. Do you not understand words? I don't know. I don't even know what to say to you. You embarrass the fuck out of me because you're stupid. What does that say, dumbass? Get a different attorney that can read the fucking law. Yours sucks. Clearly yours sucks. What does that say? What does that say? It's illegal to peep. You're sexually exploiting women and children. Your starvation, torture, torment, human rights violations. That's what got the whole thing open to begin with, Mr. Perry. How many times we got to repeat ourselves? Over and over and over. We say the same thing. When you fuck with me, you get told on. You don't get a cover-up. You don't get a date. What are you trying to get out of this? You don't get a cover-up. You don't get a... And then so we flattened her tire. We took her FOSFA money. And then we told her ex-husband, she's going to call you for money because we fucked everything else up. Don't give her any. You were recorded. You were recorded. You always are. What is this, Perry? You're dumb. You're a dumb son of a bitch. Listen, I did not ask you what you think. I did not ask you how you feel. I need for you to get out of my life. It's the law. I don't want a fucking thing to do with you. I'm not going to lie for you. I'm not going to help you guys with your crime. We get it. You got some house. I don't want the house. I don't want to hear your idea. What did I tell you to do? Comply with the law or they'll do it for you. All the little code words I just quoted, Blankenship, Calvin's name, Desiree's name, those are people involved in your little weirdo thing. Those are your little people involved in your weirdo shit. Your little weirdo club. Charles, shut up. Listen, bitch, shut the fuck up. Everybody's sick of hearing from you. Never shuts up. I have an idea. You're bankrupt. You made me bankrupt to coerce a lie. To coerce a lie. To witness tamper. To coerce. It's a crime. I'm going to say it again because your attorney's stupid and can't explain it to you. Coercion is a crime. You're trying to intentionally cause me duress. You're stealing my money. You are about to be charged with grand larceny with intent to coerce, interference with commerce and contracts with intent to coerce, interference with interstate contracts and commerce with intent to coerce, interfering with the mail fraud. You're fucked. You've not been caught this much before in your life. You're fucked. Charles, you're fucked. You're breaking the law. You're in trouble. Am I? You're breaking the law. I came here to get away from you. I moved twice to get away from you. I moved twice to get away from you. I moved twice to get away from you. I didn't want you here. Didn't invite you here. Didn't introduce you to my family. I didn't want anything to do with you. You're fucked. Don't ask me who told and then not get that you're fucked. That's where you are all disconnected. We want to know who told. We want to know who's helping her. But we don't get that we're fucked. We don't get that somebody's helping her. It doesn't get stupider. I don't even know what to say. I don't have any words for this. You're fucked when you fuck with me. Charles Perry, will you please shut up? He's typing in my computer. You're fucked. You're the one asking who told on you. You wanting to know how I found out. How did I find out your little code words? Who's helping me? I'm fucked? Are you sure? You think a lot of things. You're not even able to properly identify your legislative duties or which state you legislate in. You've told people that you're in a romance. There's no evidence of that I have any interest in you at all. You're a delusional whack job. I'm fucked. You're coercing me. No one hits your car. No one goes and flattens your tires. You're the criminal. You're told on. You're fucked. You're getting told on more than ever in your life. You're fucked. Nobody owes you a date. It isn't illegal to reject somebody you don't like. Neil, you're like this fucker right here.
I don't want proof of this. Please leave me alone.
Hey, men, leave women the fuck alone. When they're in public, when they're doing anything, you don't have the right to their attention. You don't have the right to step into their personal space. You don't have the right to them, especially if they're making it very clear they don't want to be talked to. But even when they're not, unless a woman is giving you enthusiastic and continuous body language and signs that she wants to talk to your ugly dumb ass, then leave her the fuck alone. Find a date a different way. Okay? It's not clever. It's not cool. It's not cute. It's garbage. It's absolute garbage behavior. And you're a garbage person if you do it. I don't care if it's in public. It doesn't fucking matter. You don't have the right to her. You need to leave her alone. And this is bacon.
Look at that. That's this morning. See, we got on her DoorDash app and made it where she didn't get any orders so she could make any money. I showed in the last 2 podcasts. Then we got a hold of her FOSFA money. Then we flattened her tires so she can't do DoorDash. And then we told her ex-husband don't give her any money. So she's not going to have any choice at all but to call Charles and listen to his fucked up idea that's illegal and lie for him. Right? Because you need me to go to Texas where you can do more to me, like kill me. I've heard those comments. You've talked about that in the last day or two too, haven't you? We can't do a suicide. She's not suicidal. She's not depressed. Right? I've heard that too. You've been recorded a lot. I don't always talk about it. I don't always talk about it right when I hear it. Right when they get it. But y'all have talked about killing me again. We can't make it look like suicide. Because she's not depressed. She's pissed off but not depressed. Yeah, and then you did my tail light. That's the one from 2019. It's not legal, but I'm going to take her car away from her. Yep, you were recorded. This one was a month or so ago. This one was David. This one was to David Robertson. Sorry, I couldn't get her car from her. Yep. And this one was getting me kicked out of my house. This was my landlord. Yep. Coercion is a crime, sir. Grand larceny with intent to coerce. Interference with contracts and commerce with intent to coerce. You're about to be charged. You're going to jail. I won't be broke again, ever. I don't have to lie. I won't have to lie. All the things you've done to my car. Look at that. That's a lot of shit you've done to my car. That's the tail light. The first one, I had to do it. This was the second time you tried that. Let's get her pulled over. Take the tail light out. That's the second one. That was from the other day. Yep. How does she know? How did she find out? I don't know. Because Charles is, not getting it. That's to the U.S. attorney. When 2 cops came into my work and said he called us and wanted us to arrange a false arrest, we told him that's not why we signed up to be cops. But doesn't mean he won't find an asshole that'll do it. So be careful. Yep, and you did find an asshole who would do it. Josh Person. That was Lucky Miller, right? He said he was trying to get her on harassment. Guess what? She never bothered anybody. He did. We couldn't get those bitches off the phone. They called us, kind of like you do to me. Pesters and bothers. Pisses everybody off. Everybody else has a life. We all have a life. We have shit to do. We're busy. While you sit on your fat, lazy ass watching women you will never have. Causing one problem after another problem, getting told on because you're pissing everybody off. We're all sick of y'all. Everybody's sick of y'all. We don't want to hear it. Not one more thing from you. I don't want to hear it. That was the thing that happened with Mike. That's the Rex. That's the one from the other day. That's the one from the July 3rd. That's the one. Charles, when I tell you to shut up, you better fucking shut up. That. Yeah, you don't think that's a little excessive? Matt Powell calling up here all the time. We need her whereabouts. Do we have Ms. Ortiz's whereabouts? Constantly. And then his attorney sent mail. Yep, it's a package of paper. Who got that to me? Little Buddy and Bertha. You little wannabe. You'll never be wanted. You will never be wanted. Yep, spoofing accounts. Spoofing accounts, sir. You'll never be wanted, not by me. You're about to go to jail. And then I will never be broke again. See? They had a little meeting. We have one in Tulsa. We've been trying to get her back to Texas so we can do more to her. Recorded. A victim of your sex exploitation business. Yep, then I billed you $1,000 a day plus $2,000 a day for doing it without my consent. Peeping is a crime. And you're broadcasting women all over the internet, all over the world, and you got caught because you started pissing people off with your human rights violations. You pissed off some people. Can't get her kicked out on COVID. Let's do it over smoking. And then sure shit, that's what she tried to do it. And then you had me kicked out just recently. I lost my house because I won't commit a crime with you. I won't participate in your crime. You're going to starve me into a lie. Duly noted for the record. Guess what our judge heard? The one that signs off on whatever orders they have. Again, Mr. Perry failed to respond appropriately to what she said. We think he doesn't know. We think he doesn't understand what the hell she said. Once again, he didn't respond right. Once again, he did the same thing. You don't contact a witness on Facebook to get information that's supposed to be gotten in court. And you did it. Because you premeditated Mike and Lucky's thing, didn't you? Lucky's murder and Mike's attempted murder. And there's the evidence of it right there. Who's the other victims of your sex exploitation business that might be talking? You want to know who's talking? Why would I help you? Why in the fuck do you think I would help you? I'm not told that. I don't know. I'm not told that. You know why? Because you kill people. And you're pathetic. And we all want you gone and we're sick of hearing from you. Sick of it. Of the drama. See, I can go outside and I don't have to worry about my tires. Somebody flattened my tires. Or wrecked my car. Or jammed up my DoorDash app. Or call people I'm trying to get a job with and tell them don't hire her. Or call family and tell them don't help her. Yep. That's over. We're very, very close. Taking my FOSFA money. That's federal loan money. Federal loan money. And his question is, who told you? Wow, okay. That's Charles. Again, please shut the fuck up. We all want you gone. No one wants to help you. We want for you to be gone. No one wants to help you. We all are sick of this. Charles, we're all sick of it. I don't want to hear it. We're all sick of hearing from you. That's my grade until you hacked my computer and I couldn't get my homework done. Now it's still Dean's List, but it's lower. Now it's 3.73. No, it's 3.78. Thanks for that. You pissed everybody off, and then we got more. Every time you guys piss me off, we get more information because you piss off the 40 cops helping me. I've known them most of my adult life. Nobody wants to help you. We all just want you gone. We're sick of dealing with this crap. We're sick of the phone calls. We're sick of the drama. We're sick of the problems. We're sick of the losses. We're sick of the suffering. We're sick of the tragedy. And I've said that over and over and over and over. When you contact me, I don't like it. Stop. When you contact me, I don't like it. Stop. When you peep on me, I don't like it. Stop. When you take my money, I don't like it. Stop. Act like you understand what I'm saying. Get out of my computer. Get out of my phones. Get out of my wallet. Get away from me. Shut the fuck up and get away from me. I don't want to hear it. We're all sick of hearing it. You need a lie. You know what I need? You to follow the law and get out of my privacy and get out of my wallet and stop stealing from me and stop trying to force me against my will to do or say something I don't want to do or say. Fuck off, bitch. Your crime's not been caught as much as it is when you go at me. And you got to disconnect in your head. All of you do. When you fuck with me, you get caught. When you fuck with me, you get caught. And you think when you ask who told every fucking day, all day long, that you would put it together. And you can't. It's like you just don't get it. Things are not clicking for y'all. I'm embarrassed by you. I'm embarrassed for you. Look at that. Where's the marks on Mike Neely? Point out for me the marks on Mike Neely. It looks like he was in a fight. You're a killer, and you're a cop killer. So however loyal the guys helping me were to me, or how much more loyal are they now that you did that to him? You killed the cop. You killed the cop. How much more loyal to me are they now after you did that to him, and more tight-lipped before than they were before? Yeah, you got money, you want to threaten, you want to bribe, blah, blah, blah. You made your point. We got it. We're not stupid. We got it the first time. We got it the first time you said it. You guys are the stupid ones. There's your guys taking pictures of me. Yeah, there's Laura. People are pulling up. It was very unusual. It was unnerving to everybody. It's bothering everybody, not just her. There's your black Lexus guy. Black Lexus with Texas plates. Everybody talked about it. There's the McNamara email. The McNamara email says, I'm going to coerce her to lie. I'm going to coerce her to lie. That's what that's about. There's the crime report. Because you threatened to coerce me to lie by way of false arrest and then enticement. And then you did it. This is dated October 2015. What police have this recording of this guy telling what you said? Or you telling him? What police, Charles, have the actual recordings? You just call my ex-husband and tell him, we fucked up her tires, we fucked up her DoorDash app, we fucked up her fossil money, and now she has nothing. Not a damn thing. So she's going to call you, don't help her. We've got to get her to call Charles, so she'll take his bribe. Yep. And I said no, didn't I? I'm just telling on you. I'm telling what we heard, what we have, the recording. I heard the recording. How many did I hear? Which ones did I hear? Yep, see, you won't even know. I haven't even said. So that's filed on the 29th and 21st. And then you have me arrested for filing a false police report in retaliation for a public servant doing his job. Because you can't identify your legislative duties or what state you legislated, nor can Josh. By law in Oklahoma, you want a protective order, you got to file a police report. And if somebody's threatening false arrest and death, you need a protective order. Right? You're a little bitch. You can't move on. You're pathetic. I didn't get a call from Detective Egan until the 15th. I'm already in jail. She's asking for evidence. She hadn't collected it yet. She hadn't collected any fucking evidence yet. Nor did Matt. Matt didn't bother to collect a fucking thing. And he has the obligation to do so. And you're not supposed to put somebody in jail without probable cause they're committing a crime. And you have no evidence of a political vendetta because there wasn't one. You imagined it. Or you're not able, you, Josh, and Matt, have no ability to do some simple task, some simple normal function like identify legislative duties and what state you legislate in. I'm living in Oklahoma. I didn't live in Texas. You keep trying to force me back there so you can do more to me. I don't want to go. I don't want your fucking house. House of horrors. So this is obstruction right here, Tulsa police. This is why everybody's mad at y'all. And then the charges were dismissed. Clearly, Mr. Powell had no intention of going to trial, or he would have collected the evidence. That means he's just illegally detaining me for kicks, for the coercion of it, for shits and giggles. And you can't do that. It's a Fourth Amendment violation. Charles, will you listen to the words I'm saying? I don't want to hear what you have to say. Shut the fuck up. Please get away from me. Shut up. Shut up. When you contact me, we get more because I don't want you to contact me. When you take my money, we get more because I don't want you to contact me. We get more of these kind of emails right here before you did it. Every day, more and more and more. When you contact me, it pisses me off because I told you, do not contact me. Leave me alone. Don't take my money, David. Get your fucking hands out of my wallet and stop taking my money. David, Calvin, your little crowd, get out of my wallet. When you take my money, David, and then you want to know who told, it's why they told that you need to ask the question. You pissed off me and 40 cops. When in your life has your crime been caught this much? I want to know dates. I want to know times. I want names. Who has caught you guys this much? Who else has a McNamara email? Anybody you know? Any other victims? Any of them? I don't want to hear from you, Charles. You just pissed me off. I said don't contact me. Don't peep. Don't hack. Don't take my money. Don't contact my family. Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me. Shove the doll up your ass, little girl. Is the doll getting you a date or a cover-up? Yep. Do the same thing that doesn't work. We don't even know what to say. Just, why would you play with a little doll anyway? That's so weird. So, this is, he plays with dolls, unicorns, and sits and watches TV all day, like some little girl watching Frozen. And sits around planning the next shitty thing to do to me. What kind of life is that? Where's Jacqueline when you do that? So this was the bond conditions when you guys wanted me to lie. You've been asking me every day since, lie for us. Yep, caused all kinds of problems. And I said, I'm not going to lie. I'll stay quiet if Mr. Perry never contacts me again. And that's why this says Charles Perry is not to contact Cynthia. Charles wasn't the arrested one. I was. And yet his name is in here. He is not to contact me. That is an admission of guilt and an agreement to stop. And you lied. So now after that, I don't trust you with anything ever. All you do is lie. No one can trust you. There's the death threats, right? Right? I just want this to be over with. Oh, I can't promise it won't end with death and destruction. David, you're trying to kill me. If somebody's trying to kill you, you need a protective order, do you not? And Dr. Russell said it's just a stalking escalation. Yeah, because you're a loony. Let your life fade away. I tell the manager at Godiva's, look at this bullshit. This guy's death threatened me. And he goes, well, at least he's poetic with his death threats. Yeah. And by law, you got to file a police report. Matt Powell, Josh Burson. It's your job to know that shit. And to ask for evidence of that would show probable cause. You had to show that I filed a false police report. Means it had to be collected evidence and investigated. And you didn't do that. And you've been trying to cover that up with a second false arrest ever since, haven't you? You and whoever at TPD gave your report right over to gave my police report right to the offender. All of you been trying to, let's cover it up with a second false arrest. Let's go lie some more, and maybe that'll prove we're not lying at all. But you get caught this time, because I know cops that know what they're doing, right? This is the order that was denied because I forgot the fucking police report. Marler versus Clower. Mike was drugged. I said it in March. I actually said it in January. Sure as shit. He was treated with Narcan. Yep. I'm a witness. Only you, again, for the fourth time, I'm not allowed in court. You guys have a big thing with concealment. We're going over this again. Point out, look at my son. He's in a fight. He looks like he was in a fight. Look at Mike. He doesn't. He wasn't in a fight. He was drugged. And the fight was between Lucky and whoever drugged Mike. Mike doesn't have a bump on his head that made him knocked out. Does he? You're a cop killer. You and your little dolly. Your little skirt. And your little... I watch TV all day, and I sit here and hit buttons like a retarded monkey. I don't know how to do anything else. I just see... Yuck. You're creepy. You're fucking stupid. You're creepy. You're rejected and told on. Do you understand? Try to understand what those words mean. I won't lie for you. We all want you gone. You're about to be gone. You won't stop by yourself like a big boy, so they're going to do it for you. Like when I'm quoting somebody, they got the information, it wasn't up to you, right? Your little Rumpelstiltskin game, your little Hansel and Gretel game that you were talking about the other day. Can't play Hansel and Gretel. Heard it. Right? Oh, the Muffin Man's not going to be happy about that. I heard it. It's up to them. The guys that gave that to me. Nobody owes you. I don't know how they get it, Charles. I don't even care. All I know is I don't want you in my life. We're so very sick and tired of y'all. Everybody's sick and tired of y'all. You got your little yes man group, your little club of weirdo. They're not, because you're paying them. But everybody else is sick and tired of you. It's not hard to get information. When you contact me, I asked you to stop. When you peep on me, I told you not to. When you hack me, I said get out. When you get in my wallet and you cause me loss or problems or hardship, we get more. Because you make everybody mad. Everybody wants you gone. When you can't stop by yourself, it's like a big boy, you're being stopped every time you're told on. Mr. Perry, you're stupid that you can't connect, that you can't figure that out. Why are you being told on? Why? You disgust me. You absolutely disgust me. He's got a red, swollen right hand because he has a needle in it from an IV. Detective stupid. There was no probable cause to arrest him either. Yep. So, there's the arrest report. Anybody can see there was not even any injuries listed in that. Harassment. This was dated 12/31/2017. We're going to use her as a test case. We're going to harass the fuck out of her. And then when she tells on us, we're going to say she's harassing us. Right when Justice Scalia died, First Amendment guy, right in West Texas, right when we were all there, and you planned that. Pelican brief right here. But somebody's helping me. That's big, powerful people. Yep. And there's my my petition that my prosecutor said. At least get it filed with the state Tulsa County Clerk's office. Even they're going to impede you. They're going to get into your Dasher app and make it where you can't make a fucking thing. And get into your mail. They got your mail, so you won't get your money. I'll have my guy look into that. Don't go. I don't want you to file anything with a postal inspector. I'll do it. Because if you do it, David Robertson's going to go right in behind you and obstruct. We're not going to have any more of that. I got somebody I'm working with already. Because we've heard the recordings. They're going to take your money and impede your appeal. I need you to file that to show your intent. At least that. Don't walk in and mail it. And then I want you to put the receipt as an exhibit. So there it is. That was on the 11th. And on the 12th, he calls me back. He just told your landlord we got that thing kicked out. And so we want you to kick her out of her house. We're trying to get her back to Texas where we can do more to her. Recording after recording. Who has the actual recording to Perry? There's my mail. You've been in. Yep. Forward it to you. My mail guy caught it. He goes, this has been forwarded. And I go, he goes, yeah, I thought something was wrong because I see you. I'm seeing you stand right here. I said, no, I have not filled out a forwarding address of anything. You get into the U.S. Postal Service, you got a problem. And let's just don't seal it, and we'll just say it fell out. I heard that recording too. And sure shit. Look at that. Who has that actual recording? Yep. What does that say? 2014. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Mr. Perry, leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Shut up and leave me alone. We don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Well, I'm tired of hearing it. We all are. You sound like weird, Naggy Neil.
You're filming my phone.
It's Naggy Neil. Naggy Neil. You can tell he has no idea. Does it look like she likes him? You're just as naggy as that guy. And I'm just like, shut up. Please shut up. Shut up. I'm not going to lie for you. I don't know who it tells on you. I don't care. I'm not told that. There's a reason for that. It's for those people's protection. Nobody cares about you. Everybody's sick and tired of y'all. Everybody's sick and tired of y'all. Nobody cares about you. Nobody. We're all tired of you. You've got your little club of weird. You got guys on your payroll. Nobody else outside that little group gives a fuck about you. We're sick of you. We want you gone. Go away. Go away. Shut up. Get out of my life. Comply with the law. Get out of my life. You've pissed everybody off that matters. Everybody that matters.
Father and my fucking sister. How does this make you
Is that
feel?
the one that put all those scratches on your arm? You want to see the
Scratches? I got scratches.
I can show you the pictures right now.
No, I want you to leave my.
He's got pictures like you had those guys pulling up to get pictures of me. And you're using DoorDash to, have my buddy call that's got a doorbell on his camera on his doorbell or reflective glass. Yep, stalkers do that. So we documented it, for the record, Mr. Perry, that you got my FOSFA money. So we're going to straighten that out. And that you're intending to fuck with my car so I can't do DoorDash. You're going to jam up my Dasher app if I try. You told my ex-husband she's going to call and ask for money. Don't give her any. We fucked up everything else. She won't have a dime. Right? So when we get things like your little Rumpelstiltskin, and I guess we can't do Hansel and Gretel. Code word for our next horrible trick we're going to do to her. Horrible thing. You know, that's because you did all this. You asked for it. When we get stuff like Michael's drugged, you did that. Yeah, that's why. All right, do you see this right here? This is a
inspirational speaker.
This is a video on stalking, and he says, document everything for court. That's what these are. So right now, I'm going to do the disclaimer. Use allegedly, and fuck you, by the way. Apply the but-for standard, but for me needing to document all the stalking shit you do. Nobody's wrecking your car. Nobody's taking your mail, checks, and all of your money. Your cars are fine, aren't they? Nobody's getting, if your privacy is invaded, that's called reaping what you sow, except my guys have a court order, and you don't. Yeah. I don't care what, nobody's going to help you. We all want you gone. We all just want you gone. Nobody's going to help you. They're not helping you. Because you guys make a lot of phone calls, asking a lot of questions. You're not getting answers. No one is going to help you. We all want you gone. We're sick of this. Everybody's sick of it. No, normal people don't like it when one person makes another person suffer. Coercion is a criminal act. Stalking, hacking, peeping, criminal acts. I don't want to talk to you, Charles. I don't want to talk to you, Charles. I don't want to talk to you, Charles. Mr. Perry, I do not want to talk to you. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to hear it. I'm sick of hearing from you. I don't want to talk to you. You never shut up. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it anymore. I said shut up and get off me. Didn't I? I don't want to hear it. You comply with the law. You don't have a choice. As much as you get caught, we think it's hysterical. You think you do. It speaks to your delusion. Shut up and leave me alone. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You comply with the law. You comply with the law. You comply with the law. You don't have a choice. That's why you're told on. You're breaking the law. You're hurting people. Everybody's tired of it. You comply with the law, sir. Shut up and get out. This guy talks about documenting. So apply the before I need to document, I wouldn't do these. Apply the reasonable prudent person standard, none of which y'all are. Any reasonable prudent person getting caught this much would stop. They'd have the good sense to leave everybody alone. And I assert all constitutional rights. That's what he's talking about in this video. Guess what else? This is a video that talks about the use of technology to stalk. Cameras, voyeur cameras, cameras on people's cars, cameras on people's doorbells, cameras on whatever you want to use. Especially when you have money. Hacking. You knew where I was to hit me all those times because you hacked my phone. Yep. And connecting the dots, TPD, this is what you're supposed to do to handle a stalking case. Not what you did. And the report right over to the offender. You do this, what they tell you to do. Tell the victim that stalkers are dangerous. Get the evidence right then and there. Don't tell them to come back next week. That's what she says in this video right here. I'm not going to play the whole thing. Anybody can watch it. Since you guys don't know what the fuck you're doing, I suggest you watch it. You put me in danger. You put Mike Neely in danger. You put Chief Miller in danger. Thanks. You ruined lives. You ruined lives. That's not what police are supposed to do. I know, because I was raised by 4 generations of police. You relieve suffering caused by crime. My granddad said it. As lawmen and women, he didn't say and women because he's a guy, but he said as lawmen, we are called to relieve suffering caused by crime. We're called to relieve it. Charles Perry, shut up. You Comply with the law, sir. Do not contact me again. You don't have a choice. You shut up. Get out of my computer. Comply with the law. When you're told on, can you not tell that means you don't have a choice? You're not all there. Who's telling on you is not the question. Why are they telling on you? I want for you to shut up. I need for you to get away from me. I need my privacy back. I need my money back. I need you gone. I need Mike Neely back home with his family. That's what I need. That's what I want. That's the law. Get off me. It's the law. I need you to shut up and get off me. That's the law. When you don't, you get told on. Why don't you get the cause and effect? When you contact me, invade my privacy, cause me loss, you guys get told on more than ever before in your lives. Your people said it. When he pesters her and takes her money, things don't go well for us. We're seeing things happen we've never seen before. And you act like you have no idea what the hell that means. Nope, let's do it more, he says. I'm going to just bother you more. I'm going to pester you more. And then just sit around with my finger up my nose going, who told? Who told? Is what you're doing working for you? We got a hella case being built, David. We thought you were the smart one. This is what they do the DoorDash. You can't make. I did this already. You just jam it up, and sometimes it won't work at all. The December 18th false arrest you guys had all spent weeks trying to figure out in Manford. I couldn't even go to Manford because they did this stuff like this. You can't make any money. You can't make any fucking money. It has to be $1.50 a mile, or it's not worth your time. You spending your time and you're spending gas. And not only is it's not just that mile. It's not just that mile. It's not just 4 miles. You're driving there and back to the hotspot to get the next order. So it's actually 8 miles that you're driving. So you can't do it for 3. And it's okay. It's normal to get 1 or 2 of these a night or a day, but it's not normal to get all but 5. And I don't go to Chick-fil-A and I don't go to Chipotle because those are your places. Your people call an order from that. I don't take those orders. See? Charles, when you're contacting me, you're making me very angry. I'm very angry at you. I don't like you. I don't want to hear it. You're just pissing me off. When you guys piss me off, you get told on. All you people that work for him, listen to the words I'm saying, because he clearly has no idea what I'm saying. Not a clue. He doesn't understand. He can't understand me. When Perry contacts me, it pisses me off because I asked him not to and he's breaking the law. And that's when you guys start getting told on. When he takes my money, he's pissing me off because he was breaking the law. And so that's when you guys start getting told on. When you do stuff like this and mess with my government federal loan money. Government federal loan money. When you do that, trying to starve me into a lie, Charles thinks, oh, now she'll call me. Now she'll talk to me. Oh, hell no. Absolutely not. When you're in jail, I won't have this happen anymore, ever. You won't be around to hurt me anymore. So, I'll never be broke again. I'm not going to help you. I'm not going to talk to you. You're trying to force me against my will. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You never shut up. You talk constantly. You're just like that Neil guy. You notice Neil never shuts up? That's what Perry does. I can't pick up my phone without him typing in it. Threats. Bullshit. Yeah. He's got some weird-ass ways of communicating, that's for sure. And so, yeah, it doesn't make any sense to take these orders, any of them. So that's what happened on the 18th, Josh. I guess you and your buddies tried to, you all spent weeks preparing for a December 18th visit to Manford, trying to have them arrest me. You had it all planned out. And then Charles and Dave did this kind of shit all night long, and I didn't make any money, so I didn't even have gas to go out there. Thank God. Thank God. But, yeah, we heard all about that. Because you were inept, and you can't tell what a legislative duty is, or what state your guy legislates in. Right? Or what a false police report is, or what the laws in another state are. I mean, you think you're going to do a second one and cover up the first one, Josh? It doesn't work that way, man. It doesn't work that way. Charles Perry, again, just contacted me. What did I just say, Charles? When you contact me, you get told on. You know why? You're breaking the law. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I want you to shut up and leave me alone. I don't care anything about you. You don't matter. You don't matter at all. I want for you to go away. And when you can't do it by yourself like a big boy, then every time you're told on, it's being done for you. You are to comply with the law, sir. You are to. It's not up to you. It's not up to you, Charles. All the stuff we find out, it's not up to you. You pissed us all off. It's not up to you. We want you gone. Charles, we want you gone. Charles, I want you gone. Get out of my life. It isn't your choice. It isn't up to you. It is the law. You are breaking it. You are getting told on. You need to get a grip on reality. You are breaking the law. You're contacting me after I said stop contacting me. I don't want to hear it. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I never want to hear it. I'm saying the same thing she said. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to hear it. It's crazy ramblings that don't make any sense. I don't want to talk to you. It's not against the law to reject somebody. Go away. Go away. Get out of my life. Get out of it. You don't have a choice. You're breaking the law, and you keep getting told on when you do. And you don't understand how much trouble you're in? Golly. Why waste my time talking to someone with the IQ of ice? You don't understand a word I'm saying. You don't understand anything. So I'm not wasting my time. You have an attorney that better fucking get his act together and get his client off me. You don't have a choice, Mark. You're going to go with him. Charles, when you contact me, you get told on. So shut up and get off me. I don't want to hear it. You piss me off. You're breaking the law. Does anybody understand how to explain that to the bitch?
Leave me alone. Please.
Just talk to me for 2 minutes.
First, let me say that I'm happy that the lady in this video is okay. Second, let me break down what rape culture is. Rape culture is the fact that that man felt that he was entitled to some of this woman's time just because he said, let me talk to you for 2 minutes.
Charles, do not contact me in any way, shape, or form again. You're breaking the law. When you break the law, you piss me off and you get told on. Shut the fuck up. Why can you not control yourself? Shut the hell up. Why can't you control yourself, rapist?
Doesn't matter if it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. If she said no, no means no. Rape culture is the comments that she has on her video about how she should have just spoke to him or dressed differently. Rape culture is me taking the heat for calling out other men for their terrible behavior. Rape culture is trying to explain stuff as, oh, it's just locker room talk. No, it's not locker room talk. You should talk the same way wherever you are. We all know that rape is not about sex, it's about power. So for you to force yourself on somebody, even if you're just talking to them, is disgusting, dude.
Who has the actual recordings? Law enforcement has them. I've heard them. All I'm doing is typing up what I heard. Mr. Perry, Mr. Robertson, Mr. Powell, Mr. Burson, Mr. Chadwick, your little club of weird. We all want you to comply with the law and leave us alone and never contact me again or my family. Everybody's sick of y'all. Everybody's sick of y'all. When you contact me, when you cause a problem for me, you get told on because you piss me off and I matter and you don't. You're breaking the law. You're in violation of the law. You're getting told on. You're getting recorded. You're hurting people. You're making everybody mad. You're turning everybody against you. You're caught more than ever in your life. Now, I'm tired of repeating the same thing over and over and over, and you retards can't get it. I don't know what to do. Get a special education teacher. I don't have the patience. I'm used to dealing with people who are very, very, very smart, and they've been out thinking y'all in their sleep for a decade. Leave us the fuck alone. Charles, shut up and get away from me. You're breaking the law. Comply with the law. Get away from me.